Hi, hello, good day. Welcome to another weekly analysis with Rejoice Muna. So, for Euro USD, we spoke about it last week and we said that it's likely to drop up until this point. Although I am still expecting, I have not taken any trade on Euro USD. If you watched my weekly trades, you would see that I didn't take any trade on Euro USD yet because I'm still waiting for a confirmation. So I said that I was waiting for price to go up somewhere here before, taking the trade. Because it got to this my POI and in the lower time frame is it's going down. But I'm expecting it to come back up to somewhere here because there is also an order block here with an imbalance that has not been filled yet. So I'm also expecting it to come back there. But if it doesn't, I will look for other possible entries. So you know how market does something like this? You know how market does something like this and then goes back up to continue the trend? Exactly. That's what I'm waiting for in here. So I'm looking out for an entry somewhere here. I'm looking out for an entry somewhere here. And then to continue going down. So, but if I don't see an entry there, I might just look for other entries. And then I'm also considering this particular POI I put here. I just want to see if market will react to it, and probably market is done with these internal structures, and maybe it's going back to the point I told you it might likely get to. So I'm just watching the market. I'm not necessarily doing anything. I have not taken an entry for this. I told you that except you want to take this entry like this is how you ought to take it. And this is like too much SL for me. I don't trade like this. So I'm looking for a way where I can get a very, very good entry with good risk reward ratio. So that's my bias. I'm still on the sell for Euro USD till market shows me otherwise. That's still my bias for Euro USD. Okay. For GBP USD, market has not necessarily given me a clear confirmation to enter. Although I can still see some small entries that I could take, but that's not the big entry that I'm looking out for. Okay, because I even marked here and price has really reacted well to this place, but I didn't take the trade. Okay, so I'm just looking out for a very, very good entry. But if this makes a lower low, then I will re-enter for a small sale, and I will be sharing it on my free analysis group as well. So yeah, if you haven't joined, you could comment and I will send you the link for the free analysis group. Also, I already told you guys about the pre-order for the TEPS course special. This is going to be for a very, very discounted price of about 30,000 naira, and this is so that you people can know exactly how I trade this strategy. I use exactly how I trade, step by step, everything you need to know about how I trade, and then you get it for this small amount of money, and then you give me feedback, because after the 30th of April this will be available for 80,000 naira. The TEPS course will be available for 80,000 naira. But for now, you can pre-order it and you get the course available to you on the 30th for 30,000 naira. You can pre-order it now before 30th for 30,000 naira. Okay, after 30th, price goes back to 80,000 naira. Okay, so this is it for GBP USD. I'm considering other pairs. I'm considering looking at other pairs like USD Chef and gold. Probably next week I'll do an analysis on that one. All right, thank you so much. Bye.